Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Juke versus the Fiat 500x. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of what each vehicle brings to the table, from driving dynamics to everyday practicality. Let's explore the key differences and similarities, ensuring you have all the information needed for an informed choice. When it comes to performance, the Nissan Juke typically features a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 114 horsepower. It also boasts impressive fuel economy, often reaching up to 48.7 miles per gallon. The Fiat 500x, on the other hand, usually comes with a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, offering a more robust 177 horsepower. The 500x also provides the option of all-wheel drive, which is great for varying road conditions. Inside, both vehicles offer distinct experiences. The Nissan Juke impresses with a larger 12.3-inch infotainment screen, providing a modern and connected feel. It also offers generous cargo space, up to 422 liters, making it quite practical. The Fiat 500x, while having a 7.0-inch touchscreen, focuses on a unique, stylish cabin design. Its cargo capacity is around 350 liters, which is suitable for daily needs. Ultimately, choosing between the Juke and 500x depends on your priorities. The Juke often offers better fuel efficiency and a slightly larger cargo area, appealing to those seeking practicality and a modern tech experience. The 500x, with its distinctive Italian styling and available all-wheel drive, might attract drivers who value unique aesthetics and a more spirited feel. Both are solid choices in the compact SUV segment. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.